In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to uninstall Adobe Photoshop the right way, whether you're using Windows or Mac. I'll walk you through the recommended method using Adobe Creative Cloud, and I'll also show you what to do if Photoshop refuses to uninstall properly. By the end of this video, you'll know the cleanest and safest way to remove Photoshop without leaving behind broken files or errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. The fastest and most recommended way to uninstall Adobe Photoshop is by using the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This method is ideal because it removes associated Adobe files properly and prevents leftover background services or corrupted components. First, open the Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. You can find it by searching for Creative Cloud in your Start menu on Windows or using Spotlight Search on Mac. Once the app opens, sign in with your Adobe account if you're not already logged in. Next, click on the Apps tab. This will show you a list of all Adobe applications currently installed on your system. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Photoshop. Now, click the three dots next to Photoshop. A small menu will appear. From this menu, click on Uninstall. You'll then see a prompt asking whether you want to keep preferences or remove preferences. If you plan to reinstall Photoshop later and want to keep your custom settings, brushes, and workspace layouts, choose Keep Preferences. If you want a completely fresh start and want everything removed, choose Remove Preferences. After making your selection, click Uninstall to confirm. Creative Cloud will now remove Photoshop from your computer. Depending on your system speed, this may take a few minutes. Once it finishes, Photoshop will be fully removed from your device. This is the recommended method if Photoshop was originally installed using Creative Cloud, which applies to most users. Now let's talk about what to do if Photoshop won't uninstall. Sometimes you might click Uninstall and nothing happens, or you may get an error message. This can happen due to corrupted Creative Cloud installations or leftover background services. In this case, you'll need to use the official Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner Tool. This is Adobe's own utility designed to fix stubborn uninstall problems and remove leftover files. To get started, go to Adobe's official website and search for Creative Cloud Cleaner Tool. Download the tool directly from Adobe to ensure it's safe and up to date. Once downloaded, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator on Windows. On Mac, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to allow permissions if prompted. After launching the tool, you'll see a list of installed Adobe applications. Select Photoshop from the list. Then follow the prompts to let the tool remove Photoshop and any leftover components. The Cleaner tool is especially helpful if Photoshop is not uninstalling, if your Creative Cloud installation is corrupted, or if you're experiencing reinstall errors. After the process completes, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures all background Adobe services are completely stopped and removed. And that's it. You now know both the recommended method and the forced method to uninstall Adobe Photoshop safely and completely. Quick tip before we wrap up. If you think you might reinstall Photoshop in the future, choosing Keep Preferences during uninstall can save you time by preserving your custom settings. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.